Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen bagels soft. First, let your frozen bagel thaw at room temperature for about 20 minutes. This initial step helps prevent the bagel from becoming too chewy. Next, wrap the bagel in a slightly damp paper towel. Then, microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds. This quick method is perfect for a single bagel and yields a wonderfully soft texture. For a slightly larger batch or a more even warmth, the oven or toaster oven works wonders. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bagels directly on the oven rack. This allows for air circulation and even heating. Bake them for 5 to 7 minutes. You'll get a perfectly soft interior with a slightly crisp crust, just like fresh. If you want truly exceptional softness, steaming is your secret weapon. Bring about 1 inch of water to a boil in a pot with a steamer basket. Once boiling, place your bagels in the basket and steam them for 2 to 3 minutes. This method infuses moisture directly into the bagel, making it incredibly soft and chewy, almost like it just came from the bakery. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your bagel experience. Consider slicing your bagels before freezing them. This makes them much easier to prepare later. After warming, a quick toast can add a delightful, slightly crispy exterior while keeping the inside soft. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.